we'll solve an equation by factoring completely. Here's an extra example. You might need to go back to chapter 7 to see where I'm getting some of these steps. All right, so in this problem right here, I'm looking for a GCF, and I see that all these numbers are even, so I know 2 will work. And I also know that there are at least 3 x's in each one of them. So let's factor out the GCF of 2x cubed. Okay, what do you multiply 2x cubed by to become 2x to the 5th? Well, that would be x squared. 3 plus 2 is 5. What do I multiply 2x cubed by to make it become 2x to the 4th? Well, you just need one more x. And what do you multiply 2x cubed by to become negative 144x cubed? Well, if I divide 144 by 2, 2 goes into 14 7 times, and 2 goes into 4 2 times, so that's 72. And I don't need the x cubed because I factored it out. Okay, so this right here is ready to factor. I'm going to put 2 sets of parentheses down. And the numbers are the letters that will give me x squared would be x and x. The factors of 72 that add or subtract to give me a positive 1. Now, you might recognize in your head immediately, well, 8 times 9 is 72, and if I subtract those, I get 1. You're right. Or you could come over to the side and write down all the factors of 72, like 1 and 72, and 2 and 36. Let's see, 3 goes into it 24 times, 4 goes into it 18 times, 5 does not go into it, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the one that gives me a 1 is 8 and 9. It doesn't matter which place you put it in. I look right here at the C and it's negative. That negative tells me that my signs will be different from each other. And I look to the B sign to decide which one it will be. The bigger one, bigger of the two numbers will be positive. So 9 is positive, and since they're different, that means the 8 must be negative. Then I use my zero product property that says that either this equals 0, this equals 0, or this equals 0. And you can write 3 equations down and solve for x, or you can do your shortcut. If I have 2x cubed equals 0, I divide by 2 and take the cube root of it, and I would get 0. So for the very first one, it's 0. For this one, x minus 8 equals 0. I would add 8 to both sides, and I would get 8. And on this one, x plus 9 equals 0. I'd subtract 9 from both sides, and I would get negative 9. So my solutions are 0, 8, and negative 9.